Booyah.
Alright, we got the F1V, an A8 engine in it for our first test. Let's hopefully have more success than that first rocket fight we ever recorded with the other F1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Open? Maybe not. Different brand of parachute. At least the rocket's really light.
Still didn't go that far away.
You have to work on that other brand of parachute. Hey, if the fins were so large, it didn't matter. No damage at all.